Okay, let's have problem number 2. The table displays the number of U.S. hurricane strikes by decade from the year 1851 to 2000. What are the mean and the standard deviation for this data set? So we only need to get the mean and the standard deviation. It's not asking for the variance, but in a traditional way of getting the standard deviation, you have to find the variance in order to get the standard deviation. But in Desmos, we will no longer need to compute for the variance, only for the standard deviation you can do it. For as long as you are going to type this data to your Desmos. Okay, so Desmos, you can just type there A or set A, set X, set Y. It doesn't matter what variable are you going to use. A equals this bracket symbol, and then you type there 19, 15, 20, 22. So 19, 15, 20, 22, 21, 18, 21, 13, 19, I have a copy here, 24, 17, 14, 12, 15, 14. There must be 20 data there. Oh, sorry, 15 rather. There must be 15 data because we have 15 decades. Okay, so again, we are looking for the mean. Take note of the symbol and the standard deviation. The symbol is this one. We assume that this is a population, so click this keypad function, and then we have here the mean. I need another. Again, function, and then mean. You type there this the set A. So you have 17.6. So my mean here is 17.6. For the standard deviation, the same thing. Click the function. You have two standard deviation there. The STDev, that's for the sample, and the STDev population. We are going to get the STDev population because I mentioned earlier that all throughout the lesson we assume that the data set that we have are all a population data. So express your answer into the nearest tenth, so 3.5. So this is 3.5. So as simple as that. You have now the mean and the standard deviation. So try to answer practice exercises number 2, and once you're done, you can now answer your classwork in your Math Excel, and we have quiz on Friday. It's going to be in person. That's the last quiz for this school year.